When Margaret turned 62, she decided it was time for a fresh start. For years, she had worn her hair in the same shoulder-length style, but lately it felt heavy and difficult to manage. One afternoon, after seeing several stylish women with short hair, she walked into her local salon and confidently asked for a pixie cut. The stylist smiled and carefully trimmed her hair into a short, neat style. At first, Margaret felt excited about the change. The haircut was light, easy to maintain and modern. But when she returned home and looked closely in the mirror, something didn't feel quite right. Instead of looking refreshed and youthful, her face appeared sharper and slightly older than before. Confused, she called her longtime friend Alina, who had worn a pixie cut for years and always looked elegant. When Alina arrived, she gently examined Margaret's hairstyle and nodded thoughtfully. "A pixie cut can be beautiful at any age," Alina explained kindly. "But small mistakes in the cut, shape, or styling can instantly add years to your appearance, especially after 60. That conversation opened Margaret's eyes. She realized the problem wasn't the pixie cut itself, it was the details. Stay with us as we reveal 5 pixie cut mistakes that instantly age women over 60. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50 for more beauty and style tips designed just for you. Part 1. Cutting the pixie too short around the sides. The next morning, Margaret stood once again in front of her bathroom mirror, gently touching the sides of her new pixie cut. The hair around her temples and ears had been trimmed very short, almost closely cropped to her scalp. While the top of her hair still had some volume, the sides felt flat and tight against her head. At first, she thought the style looked neat and modern, but now she noticed how exposed her face appeared. Later that afternoon, Alina stopped by for tea and immediately noticed the sharpness of Margaret's haircut. She walked closer and carefully studied the shape of the pixie cut from different angles. "The top of your hair looks lovely," Alina said gently, "but the sides are cut a bit too short. When the sides are too tight, it can make the face look more severe and highlight fine lines around the cheeks and jaw." Margaret turned her head slowly from side to side, watching her reflection. She realized that the short sides made her face appear narrower and less soft than before. Instead of framing her features gracefully, the haircut seemed to draw attention to every small wrinkle and shadow. Alina smiled reassuringly and explained the solution. A flattering pixie cut for women over 60 should have some softness around the sides. A little length and gentle layering help frame the face and create a more youthful, balanced look. Margaret felt relieved to understand the mistake. She made a note to ask her stylist for slightly longer sides during her next appointment. That day, she learned her first important lesson. Cutting a pixie too short around the sides can instantly age a woman, but adding softness can bring back elegance and confidence. For more helpful beauty tips and hairstyle advice, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50. Part 2. Choosing a pixie cut with no volume on top. A few days later, Margaret met Alina at the salon for a small adjustment to her pixie cut. As she waited in the chair, she noticed another woman about her age sitting nearby. The woman also had a pixie haircut, but something about it made her look older and tired. Her hair lay completely flat against her head, especially on the crown, with no lift or movement at all. Margaret leaned slightly toward Alina and whispered, "Her haircut looks neat, but it makes her face seem heavier." Alina nodded thoughtfully. "That's because her pixie has no volume on top. A flat pixie can instantly age a woman, especially after 60. Margaret paid close attention as the stylist gently touched the top of the woman's hair, trying to add shape. Without height or fullness, the hair clung to the scalp and made her face appear wider and less lively. The lack of volume also emphasized fine lines around her forehead and cheeks. When it was Margaret's turn, the stylist began to trim the top of her hair carefully. Alina spoke up kindly. "Could you add a bit more layering on the crown? We want some gentle lift." The stylist smiled and used her scissors to create soft layers on the top section of Margaret's pixie cut. Afterward, she used a round brush and a small amount of styling cream to lift the hair slightly upward. Margaret watched in the mirror as the top of her pixie gained shape and movement. The added volume made her face look brighter and more youthful. Her posture even seemed more confident. She realized an important truth. A pixie cut without volume can make hair look lifeless and agging, but a little height on top can completely refresh a woman's appearance after 60. For more smart hairstyle tips and confidence-boosting beauty advice, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50. Part 3. Ignoring the right hair color for your pixie cut. The following week, Margaret returned to the salon for her regular touch-up. As she walked in, she noticed a woman sitting near the window with a pixie cut similar to hers. The haircut itself was nicely shaped, but the hair color looked unusually dark, almost jet black. The color created a strong contrast against the woman's skin, making her features appear harsher and her expression more tired. Margaret quietly observed for a moment before turning to Elena. "Her haircut looks neat," she whispered, "but the color seems too heavy." Elena nodded gently. "That's another common pixie cut mistake. Choosing the wrong hair color can instantly age a woman, especially after 60. Margaret listened carefully as Elena explained further. Dark, solid colors, particularly very dark brown or black, can make fine lines and shadows more noticeable. Without lighter tones or soft highlights, the hair can look flat and dull, even if the cut itself is beautiful. When Margaret sat down in the stylist's chair, she remembered how her own hair color had become darker over the years. It was a deep brown shade she had used for a long time, but now she wondered if it still suited her. The stylist suggested adding gentle highlights around the crown and sides of her pixie cut. The lighter strands blended softly with her natural color, creating depth and brightness. As the stylist finished, Margaret looked into the mirror and noticed how the subtle highlights reflected light and made her face appear warmer and more vibrant. She smiled with satisfaction, realizing that the right color could completely transform a pixie cut. That day, Margaret learned an important lesson. Ignoring the right hair color for your pixie cut can make you look older. But adding softer tones can bring back a fresh and youthful glow. For more helpful hair and beauty tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50. Part 4. Skipping regular trims and letting the pixie lose its shape. 2 months later, Margaret noticed something different when she looked in the mirror one early morning. Her pixie cut, which once looked neat and stylish, now seemed uneven and slightly messy. The hair around her neckline had grown longer, the sides looked bulky, and the top had lost the soft shape that once gave her hairstyle movement and life. She gently ran her fingers through her hair, feeling how the strands no longer fell into place as easily as before. Instead of looking polished, her pixie cut now appeared tired and less defined. Even styling it with her usual brush didn't bring back the clean look she once enjoyed. Later that day, she met Elena for their weekly walk. As soon as Elena saw her, she smiled warmly but spoke honestly. "Margaret, your pixie cut is beautiful, but it needs a trim," she said kindly. "One of the biggest mistakes women make after 60 is skipping regular trims. A pixie cut grows out quickly, and when it loses its shape, it can make you look older than you feel." Margaret nodded in understanding. She realized she had been delaying her salon visit because she thought the haircut would last longer. But unlike longer hairstyles, a pixie cut depends on regular maintenance to keep its neat and youthful appearance. The next day, she visited her stylist, who carefully trimmed the sides, reshaped the back, and refreshed the layers on top. Within minutes, the difference was clear. Her hair looked lighter, cleaner, and more structured again. Margaret smiled at her reflection, feeling renewed confidence. She learned an important lesson. Skipping regular trims allows a pixie cut to lose its shape, and that alone can instantly add years to your appearance. For more smart hairstyle tips and beauty advice, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50. Part 5. Choosing a pixie cut that does suit your face shape. A week after her last salon visit, Margaret received an invitation to attend her cousin's birthday dinner. Wanting to look her best, she spent extra time in front of the mirror, carefully styling her pixie cut. As she examined her reflection, she remembered a conversation she had recently overheard at the salon. A woman had walked in carrying a photo of a celebrity with a very sharp, dramatic pixie cut. The style had extremely short layers on top and closely trimmed sides. She insisted on getting the exact same haircut, even though her face shape was completely different. When the stylist finished, the haircut looked neat, but it didn't flatter her features. Instead of enhancing her natural beauty, the style made her face appear longer and more severe. Margaret turned to Elena later that day and asked, "Why didn't that haircut look right on her?" Elena smiled gently and explained, "Because not every pixie cut suits every face shape. One of the biggest mistakes women over 60 make is choosing a hairstyle just because it looks good on someone else." Margaret thought about her own face, slightly round with soft features. Her stylist had carefully shaped her pixie cut with gentle layers around the sides and a bit of height on top to balance her face. The result looked natural and flattering because it was designed specifically for her. Standing in front of the mirror, Margaret adjusted the soft layers around her temples and smiled with confidence. She finally understood the final lesson. The most beautiful pixie cut is not the trendiest one, it's the one that complements your unique face shape. Her reflection looked balanced, graceful, and timeless. For more helpful hairstyle tips and confidence-boosting beauty advice, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50.